This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will discuss with you about HTML bulleted list tag. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. Here you can see coding mode. You can also see the browsing view. This is a simple HTML bulleted list tag. In here, bulleted tag start and in here, bulleted tag close. In here, the line tag start and in here, the line tag close. You have to input the text in the middle of the line tag. In the next lecture, I will show you how to practice HTML bulleted list tag. See you guys in the next lecture.